Hello everybody, this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com, and what do I always say? Keep an eye on your money. Yeah, today we're talking stock market. And yeah, it peaked up to the 17,000 mark, and it even went up to 18,000 for a few days. But it made a little crust there and it's headed back down. So what do you think it's going to do? We had a lot of people sell off stock Friday after the stock market closed. One of the managers or the CEO or whatever he is for Amazon sold $671 million worth of his stock on Friday. So what does that mean for Monday? That's a 1% drop on Amazon just with his sale alone. So look for the stock market Monday. Look for the stock market on Monday, May the 9th. In my opinion, will go down. It could go up, but I think with the research that I've done and from what I'm looking at, it's going down. Number two, Sports Authority, crash and burn. They filed bankruptcy. From everything I'm reading and looking at, looks like they're going to close all their stores, which is going to put like 5,000 people out of work. And you know, we keep having these big companies lay off people and go bankruptcy, and people getting losing their jobs. You know, you lost 5,000 jobs in West Virginia in the coal industry. You're losing 5,000 jobs, Sports Authority. But you listen to all these talking heads, and they say unemployment rate is at 5%. Well, that's a big fat lie. Unemployment rate, if you count everybody, is probably closer to 50%. But they're going to keep telling you, and they're going to keep feeding it to you through the TV, that idiot box with the news and everything, that everything is rosy, looking through rose-colored glasses. Don't do it. I predict that the stock market on Monday will go down. Another reason is Canada, all the fires in Canada. You know, they're going to slow down oil production. It's going to slow down product being shipped in and out of Canada. And that's going to mess up the stock market. You've got people in Nigeria blowing up Chevron oil wells. That's going to cause a problem. So look for the oil stock to go up and the stock market to go down. That's what it looks like to me. So the stock market tested at $18,000 mark, 18,000 a share, and it just couldn't get past where it needed to be to break out and go up. But it has made a turn back down. So with all the sell-off on the stock and with the fires and the blowing up of the Chevron oil field, I predict on Monday you're going to see the stock market go down, oil stock prices go up, and what do I always say is keep an eye on your money. Now, I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not giving you stock advice to buy, sell, or trade anything. So if you need advice, talk to your stockbroker, whoever that might be. But I'm not in the stock market, haven't been in it since 2007 or 8. Got out at that time and don't plan on getting back in, because all they're going to do is, in my opinion, is steal your money. If the stock market don't go down and take your money, the brokers will. That's my opinion. So the stock market is in crash mode again. Keep an eye on your money, because everybody else is. And I don't talk a whole lot about the politics on the videos and stuff. I'll get into that later in the year. But I do think that Paul Ryan will probably be not be the speaker much longer. That he'll probably get out, because he is not a Republican. I don't know what he is, but he has not got the Republican Party's best interest in mind. And you know, Sean Hannity was the second one to say that maybe it's time for Paul Ryan to step down and do something else. Because I was the first one. Paul Ryan needs to do something else, because he's all over the place. He's on one side of the fence, the other side of the fence, down the middle. He's a Republican, but he supports the Clintons. I mean, come on. What are these Republicans doing? You know, the people have spoken as to who they want for the nominee, whether it's good, bad, or indifferent. And this country was founded on the premise that we would run it by the majority rule of the people, not by the elite. That's why we left England, I do believe, and Ireland, and came here to the United States. So anyway, this is Harold. Keep an eye on your money, because everybody else is. You guys have a great day.